In this video, we'll show you how our video module works on our platform for IB students. For each subject available, we offer premium video courses designed to support your studies. Our courses are created by certified IB examiners or experienced tutors, some of whom are former IB students with valuable teaching experience. Just click on the subject you wish to explore, and you'll find the Video tab. Each course begins with an introduction from the teacher, helping you get to know them. We believe that when students feel connected to their teachers, they engage more deeply and understand the course material better. Every course includes an admin section, designed to accommodate all types of students, particularly helpful for those just starting the IB curriculum. Courses begin with an introductory section that provides an overview of the subject. The chapters are clearly divided, and any video specific to HL-only students will be labeled with an HL-only tag. We track your progress for each video so you can see how much you've watched. Completed videos are marked with a check, working as a to-do list to help you stay organized. Each video includes a PDF with the teacher's notes, putting all the information you need in one place. The diagrams used in the videos are custom-made by our design team, adding a unique touch to enhance your learning experience. The courses are structured in sequence to support a smooth learning flow. In each course, we emphasize the connection to the theory of knowledge, a core component of the IB program. Additionally, each course includes in-depth videos covering internal assessment and the extended essay, addressing these essential components in detail. If you'd like to know more about the teacher, simply click on their name to view their profile. We value your feedback, so feel free to like or dislike videos and share what you enjoyed or what could be improved. We're committed to making adjustments based on your feedback. Enjoy learning with us.